What's up guys, my name is Ronnie and welcome to Petalbridge, Alaska.
It is raining outside and we're still in bed. We don't wanna wake up yet, no. 'Cause I just wanna stay here right next to you, baby.
Good to be out in Petalbridge, Alaska. What's up everybody? Chris, yo, Tim. Yep, we're finally out after the lockdown, work, we're free. We're now exploring Petalbridge, Alaska. We have our freedom. This pandemic really cost us a lot, however, we can't do anything about it. But yeah, it's good to be out.
Maybe we can sleep in and skip work today. Then I'll make you scrambled eggs. We got no plans for
Finally,
the
guys,
day.
it's good to be out in this beautiful place here in Petalbridge. So I'm not gonna share you some drama things and anything why I'm here, and but I'm here to share you the beauty and place of Petalbridge. Let's go. We're hitting the road now, ready to go.
We can't stay in our beds all day, 'cause we both deserve it all.
Yo, that was a great footage, drone footage. It was so amazing, guys. So beautiful. And look at this beautiful view. Dang, so beautiful. And earlier, we were really taking a lot of photos along the road. It was, it was so beautiful, pretty stunning view. I really love it. So this time, I'm gonna have a photo shot in this portion right here. I'm gonna make that cool, guys, for Instagram. Let's go.
'Cause we both deserve it all.
So amazing. We just took a lot of photos here and with my friends, and it was amazing. Actually, it's a lot of mosquitoes. Just biting me all over. Look. So by the way, we're heading back, and we're still gonna stop by some place, and let's see what's gonna happen. Let's go. See. That is a skunk.
Skunk?
Yeah, that was a great right there. Alaska wild, baby. And wild animals. Deer. Woo, baby. It's a baby there. Right there. So our mission is to really see a bear. That's what we really want to see. Hopefully we can see one, at least one. Dude, we actually see a bear, and our drivers really speed up, but they're here.
I got a baby bear.
It's a baby bear. Probably the mom is here.
Probably go.
We want to see that one and film it. Dude, I absolutely saw it. Probably two of them. Damn, dude, you gotta drive. I told you they're gonna be here. There's more, probably. There's more.
There's some more.
There's gonna be, yeah.
Just
There's
go
gonna be
fucking
more.
drive slow, man.
Yeah, I know.
Ay,
You gotta enjoy the
nakakagusto.
drive, man. No, because I was really, my eyes really, like, focusing in it, man. They're on the forest. So
Ayup ka. Ang ingay mo
right
ba?
there. Pao was shocked. Nagulat si Pao. So
Ayup.
anyway, that's one of our mission to see a bear here. But that
Yeah,
one
I
is a
was
baby
I
one.
was
Hopefully
backing
we
up and I
can.
just saw one.
Yeah, hopefully we can see a big one. A big one. So right now we're kind of stopping by here at the Crystal Lake Hatchery. Crystal Lake Hatchery. Yeah, hope I'm right. So look at this place, guys. It's so beautiful and amazing. I can't believe this. Earlier we just saw this baby bears. It was like, dude, my friend was really speed up, so we didn't really able to take a videos of it. However, still hoping that we could really saw a bear, like a big one. That's one of our mission today. So anyway, look at this. I'm gonna fly my drone. Let's get out.
I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
We just made it back in my friend's house. So yeah, my friend's gonna cook for our dinner today. So by the way guys, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Peace. Good morning guys. Today is another day. So today we're gonna go to the trail on a forest. It's gonna be hello. Alright guys, ready? Yeah.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Alright. We saw two there. Looking back, so we made it back in the base. It's really pouring rain so hard, so we just came back here, and unfortunately we didn't able to see a bear today. We hear the sounds of it, however.
Wow.
Yeah. And for now, for meanwhile, probably gonna wash my clothes. Laundry time.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world going bad.
So we're gonna head on the road right now. Another day here in Petalbridge, ready to go.
Hey, what's up, T? What's cracking, man? Everything good?
You. So beautiful. Petalbridge, Alaska. Alright. Today is a perfect day. It's an amazing day, guys. So let's go. So we're gonna have another road trip today, and it's a perfect day because it's a beautiful day. Look at that sun right here. It's coming out, baby.
Beautiful.
Yep. Look at that view right there, the mountain and the clouds. Amazing, guys. What's up, guys? So we actually just made it here in Waterfalls. What is it? Is this creek pool something? Damn, look at this. Woo, baby. Look at that. We're gonna have a cinematic shot for this. Let's go. So we finally finished here, and we're gonna go to the next destination. So not a step, man-made hole. Okay, where?
We're over here.
Alright.
So we're going this way. We're gonna go see the water.
Right.
We're gonna go around. We might see a bear. So you guys don't run. We're gonna see a bear, okay?
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
So we just actually finished taking pictures here, and pretty much we're done here at the bridge. So now next we're gonna go to our next destination.
Sabi ko sa'yo, pag maganyan marami malapit ang nanay. Malapit ang nanay.
We saw a bear right there. It's actually running right there. It was actually running, bro. Damn! Punta mo dun, doon pumunta. He was actually running all the way down there. Oh, wait there! See that one?
Hello, still wanna go around?
Yeah.
Explore some more?
Damn, that was amazing. At least we saw it. We saw one bear.
Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free.
We can enjoy here. So beautiful in here, guys. Look, amazing view. Alright, I don't know what we got here, but we're gonna explore in this beautiful place right here, guys. So yeah, look at this. Let's go, man. Yun doon ba? Yung kahoy niya na malaki?
Uy, hayop! Hindi nga!
Oh! No! There's mayroong mga
Hayop!
Let's go, man. This is so good, bro. You need to explore. It's not, man. Let's go. And then, man, it's good, bro. This guy, he's so scared. I mean, you gotta explore.
Cause we both deserve it all.
View right here, guys. It's so beautiful. So pretty much I think this is the last step that we're gonna do. We actually took a lot of photos here. It was so beautiful that side at the portion right here, and as you can see the view over there, pretty stunning, guys. It's so amazing. So blessed to be here. So anyways, pretty bad.
Your heart beats